So what's this trading opportunity and how can you get started? This is the platform is called cotps trading platform, and you trade crypto on this platform. All you need to do is to fund your account, obviously, and I have funded my account. I recently just added some money to my account because I first funded the account with $167, and I made about $3 the first day, like the first half day trading, and I was doing all of the cycles by myself. So I did not automate anything. So when I was sleeping, the account was not working. And I was doing more research on it because I was as skeptical as you probably are, and I still am skeptical. And I decided to top up the account, whatever it had made. It was at $176 by like the second day trading, and I just decided to top it up to $1,000 so I can make more profit, compound it, and withdraw my capital out of this as soon as possible. So for all you need to do, but you don't need up to $100 to register to start your experience with COTP. You just need $9, and that $9 needs to be in a currency called USDT RC20. I'm going to be making a whole playlist of videos on how to register, how to buy Binance, because I have been through that process as someone who had no idea. I know about crypto, but I've not been buying crypto. I just know Bitcoin and Ethereum and stuff like that. So I haven't been buying crypto, and I had to go through a whole learning process to know how to deposit the money to this account, but it's like super easy. And I'll be making videos on how to get a Binance wallet because that's what I'm using. You can use any wallet that supports the TRC20 on it. So I am using Binance, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. But in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to register. So this is going to be video one of a whole playlist of videos on how to get started. And also on this YouTube channel, I'm going to be updating you guys daily on how much I have made, what is my progress with this $1,000 account, and so you guys can be updated. So if you want to, what you're going to need to do is to just press here after 2 hours every day. And I finally did the automation, so I topped up the account, did the automation. So I'll also show you guys the video on how to do the automation. So all of this is done, all of this process is done for you, and you don't have to come to your account every 2 hours to make sure that you are trading. So the first thing you should know is you're going to need a crypto wallet. You can use Binance, and I'm going to show you how to register that. I'm going to show you how to get the money from your bank account to your Binance account, like the $9 if you want to use that amount of money, or any other amount of money, because when you are using the bot, you can get up to 3.5% of whatever this is. So whatever this amount is, you can get 3.5% of that. And that's what I'll be getting by the end of today. And I'll obviously be making daily updates of what I have made, of how much I have made, and I'll be leaving this on this channel. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor, and I do not own this platform. So I just want to get in there, make the money that I can make, and get out my capital as soon as possible, because I don't know how long this opportunity is going to last, and I don't know how long this website is going to last. So first, you're going to register. Go to the link below and register so that you're under my team, and you're going to have access to my Telegram group, where I'm going to bring all the people joining under my team together, share the videos with them, take them on the step-by-step process on how to get all of this set up until you've automated. And I recommend that you should invest money that you are willing to lose. So if you wake up one day and you see, oh, this account, like it's not here, you're not going to be too hurt. But obviously do your due diligence before you decide whether or not you are going to invest. So I put $1,000. When you want to register, you're going to click on the link in the description below, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. And all you need to do, whatever language you have, you should input the language here. So you're going to need to put in a mobile phone number. When you enter your phone number, you're going to put in they're going to send you a code, and that's the code that you are going to, so you have to make sure the mobile phone number you put in is for your country and the number works, because you're going to need to put in, they're going to send you a verification code to that phone number, and you're going to use it to verify your account here. So when you put in the number, click on send verification code. They are going to send you the verification code, and you are going to input that verification code here, and you click next step. So I entered my phone number. I already have an account, so I had to use another phone number to get the verification code, and I did. And it's going, when you get the verification code, it's like a 4-digit number. You put it there, and they're going to get you, they're going to send you click login, and they're going to send you to the next page. Here you're going to register your password, whatever password you want to use to log in to your cotps account, and a nickname. So it's very important that you remember your passport, and please input your nickname. This is my referral code, so to make sure you're under my team and you can join the Telegram group, you should make sure that you have this code here. And when you have that, you put your password and nickname, and you press submit. It's going to bring you to your account that looks something like this. And the next step I'm going to show you guys is how to verify your identification. This is like the home page, and this is mine down here. You're going to have to you're going to authenticate your verification. So that's going to be what I'll show you guys in the next video. So obviously you won't have money in your account. This is because I have already been using my account, and back to my account. And the next step, you have finished step 1 of the process. Next step is to do identity authentication. And so see you in the next video. Make sure you watch the entire playlist, so you know you have everything you need to kickstart your journey with COTP in case you decide to join. See you guys in the next video.